Yes, good morning, children. Already I prepared that human geography. Part 1, chapter 1, 2, 3 over. And today I am going to take class for you. Third chapter about that population composition. So I have drawn that some of the diagram. Now with the help of diagram I am going to explain. That will be very useful for you. Now see here. Now that population composition. The topic also given population composition. So what is now population composition? Next we are going to discuss now sex composition, then age pyramidal diagram between the two countries like developing country and the developed country, then after aging population and literacy. So these are the things now we are going to discuss. Yes, children. Just now I am going to explain the population composition. What is now population composition? Population composition means in the total population we have to study about now their age, sex, place of residence, occupation, education, etc. These all are called population composition. Then next sex composition or sex ratio. What do you mean by sex ratio? Number of female per thousand male is called sex ratio in India. So this vary from country to country. Like in India you can see that we are calculating number of female divided by number of male into 1000. But some of the European country like Latvia, they are calculating number of male divided by number of female per 1000 year given. But now they are calculating per 100. You see in the book now you are given. Just I will show you. Okay. Now you can see now an average, you can see the world population reflected in a sex ratio of 102 male per 100 female. So the highest sex ratio in the world has been recorded Latvia when there are 85 male per 100 female. So in contrast in Qatar there are 311 male per 1000 female. So this sex ratio vary from place to country to country. So this is about next age pyramidal diagram. So whatever I wrote on the board that two diagram given that age pyramidal. One is like a developing country, another is developed country. Now you can see here Nigeria here given. Nigeria, like India, these are the countries having that age in a pyramidal diagram which are having a triangle shape. See the bottoms are more wide. That means in the total population, the youngster 0 to 14 age group populations are now more number. So they are one of the most important. We have to guide them. We have to provide better education. Then only we can make use that resource for development of the country. So they are called future citizens of tomorrow. Then next coming to 15 to 59 age group. So they are considered working population and they are biologically reproductive. So very sensitive and we have to take care of them. Then third one is that 60 above 60 age people those are aged people comes under. So 0 to 14 and above 60 year these people are considered dependent population. Dependent population. Now next you can see that Europe. So Europe like country. Now just I'll show you that Europe like Western country. Now you can see here example Japan here. Japan here. Now you can see that that base you can see compared to that developing country they are very less only. That means young populations are very less because they are giving more, all are now highly educated, so they are following the family planning. So that 0 to 14 age groups are now very less only. But now working population also more 15 to 59 years and above 60 years you can see that now people are now very less only here now. But compared to India they are now more in number. See one more example now I'll show you Japan here. Japan and one more that Australia. Now you can see Australia here. See here now mostly you can see age number of people are now more in number because now they are controlling the that birth rate. So that now their aged people are increasing more number. So it is very difficult to manage them in this country. Like for example So for example, now you can see a aging population. Population see the process which the share of the now older population become now proportionally larger. This is a new phenomena of the 20th century in most of the developed countries of the world. So population in higher age group has increased due to increase in the life expectancy with a reduction in the birth rate. So like now Europe, like USA, Australia, these are the countries nowadays they are now facing the problem of managing the age population. Next now coming to that now literacy. So what do you mean by literacy? Literacy mean what? Now the children those are attaining the age of 7 years who can able to read and understand a simple mathematical calculation. So education is one of the most important. So in India now like developing country we have to give more important to the women because women are now mostly facing a lot of problem. So we have to give the status of the woman now first priority. We have to give them better education. They have to bring up them. I think you understood about now this now topic. Remaining we'll discuss now tomorrow.